Morning class. So today we're going to talk about managerial skills. So every manager must have three different types of skills. Technical skills, which allow a worker to perform specialized activities. Human skills involve understanding and motivating individuals and groups. And conceptual skills, which involve integrating all activities and interests of the organization toward a common objective. The importance of each category depends on the level at which the manager is operating. We all read articles today, so we'll discuss about that. First of all, how can communication be improved in the workplace?
I read an article that discussed motivational language theory, which states that there are three different kinds of speech. Perlocutionary is a language that expresses the speaker's desired goals. Locutionary is language that emphasizes meaning, and illocutionary is a language that shows the speaker's actions while communicating. Typically, only precursionary is found in the workplace. However, a manager can use all types to make sure the assignment to the employee is clear, increase self-efficacy, and make organizational models known, which leads to more effective decisions made by the employees.
So next question. The textbook ranks the order of most important skills of the manager to be technical, human, then conceptual skills. Did anyone find a study that ranked them differently?
Yes, I read a journal article that studied and ranked the same skills but differently. The result was that human skills was ranked the most important because employees were more productive and enjoyed their job when the manager was more relatable and motivation was tailored to the individual. Conceptual was second because it was felt that a clear vision of goals and how to meet them made the employees see the manager as a good leader. Technical was last because the other two were felt to be that much more important.
Great. So what are some techniques that have helped workers to grow these skills?
I read an article that stated that rehearsing and applying new abilities conveys a considerable measure in reinforcement power. Demonstrating examples from great working employees will help other employees do a great job and improve their skills. A correct way is also teaching new skills piece by piece instead of simultaneously, because then the employee will not want to do their job if it's difficult from the beginning. Overall, being able to demonstrate skills correctly to employees will help them work better and improve their skills.
Some great articles. Good job, you guys. Okay, so my last question is, what is necessary for effectively communicating a message for human skills?
Okay, in order to send a message effectively, clarity, tone, trust, and validity, and language are important. The message needs to be as clear as possible and explained properly in order for the receiver to understand the message. If the message was said in a negative tone, then the message will be dropped immediately, and the receiver will think of reasons why it was said negatively. For example, if a manager yelled at an employee for what they did wrong, then the employee will be thinking if it was their fault. What happened in that event that the manager is wrongfully yelling at them? The receiver has no trust in the manager. If they have a good relationship, then the receiver will soak in the message. If they have a bad relationship, then the employee will not care about the message and could hear part of it. The message needs to be valid. The manager needs to understand the limits of what one can do, so the message is sent needs to be doable and justified. Lastly, the language used to communicate is important too. With a proper speech, the receiver will see the manager as a higher ranked official and will make effort to listen to the message. If they spoke informally, then the employee will not think they are highly ranked and will not listen to the message.
Good job, you guys. So it looks like you all understand the concept of what skills are needed to be a manager. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for reading the articles and have a good day.